What on earth was that?
Did you swallow a frog, Charles?
Well, Charles, I'd say it's a case of persistent hiccups, and I'm afraid there's no cure.
Not even a spoonful of sugar?
Ever tried sardine syrup? Cures something, I think.
No way. I'm drinking that.
So, Charles, 60,000 hiccups a day? How's life with that?
Loud. Real loud.
Step right up to witness the hiccups of history.
I should be charging for these.
You're my hero, Charles.
Hick, thanks. Takes a lot of breath. Well, I'll be hiccup-free.
Here's to 68 years of resilience.
The only hiccup we'll ever miss.